I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to make your first $1,000 with Systeme.io. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into my Systeme.io account and I've done over $20,000 with this account right here. Now, here's a brand new account that I've been testing using the methods that I'm about to show you in this video. And as you can see, we've done over $1,400 in this brand new account using these 3 ways I'm about to show you today. Now, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and the purpose of this channel is to show you how to build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. If that's what you're looking to do, I want you to say financial freedom down below, but more importantly, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I come out with videos every single week. Okay, so for those of you who have never heard of Systeme.io, I'm gonna show you a quick overview of what it is. Now, essentially, it's an all-in-one business software that allows you to build funnels, websites, blogs, webinars, basically everything that you need to build an online business, whether it's your own digital marketing business or you have an affiliate marketing business like I do myself. Now, as you can see, we are on the pricing plan of Systeme.io, and what's crazy about this is it's 100% free. With the free account, you don't even need a credit card to sign up. You're gonna be able to build an email list of 2,000 contacts. You could send unlimited emails. So basically, Systeme.io has its own email autoresponder built in. You could build 3 funnels. You could have a blog. Literally, you can have an entire business without paying for a software, okay? And what's even better is you can even have a course 100% free. Now, if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can copy a course and give out for free. That way you can make money with Systeme.io. But stick with me until the end and I'll explain exactly what I mean. Now, I do have an entire review of Systeme.io, so make sure to go check out this video right here. And I explain everything you need to know from A to Z on how Systeme.io works. But with this video specifically, I want to show you the 3 ways on how to make your first $1,000. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first way to make your first $1,000 with Systeme.io is to simply become an affiliate of the software. Now, to become an affiliate, it's 100% free, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can become an affiliate. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can get people to sign up for Systeme.io. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I make money as an affiliate if this software is 100% free? Okay, so as I mentioned, this is my main account here, and we've done over $20,000. Now, I want to explain how you can make money with the Systeme.io affiliate program. Now, the cool thing is they literally just bumped up their lifetime commissions to over 60%, or to 60%, as you can see right here, okay? So that's already a big plus. Now, the way you can make money is, remember, people are building their businesses slowly, but all businesses are essentially going to grow. Okay, so if we go back to the pricing, okay, this is my long-term mindset. Okay, so my goal is to get every single one of you to sign up for this free plan. Now, I don't care if you don't spend money right away, because my goal is to help your business grow to over 2,000 contacts. Okay, once your business starts to grow, then obviously you're gonna have to upgrade to the 27, the 47, and so on. Now, I'm doing this as a long-term business. Obviously, it takes time to grow over 2,000 contacts, and that's why I have multiple videos showing people how to build their email list, how to grow their contacts. But my goal is to first get them into Systeme.io, because I know eventually they're gonna start paying the 27, $47, $97 a month. So if you can look at this as a long-term business play, you will literally never go broke, because you're helping people achieve what they want, right? If you can help someone achieve what they want, you're gonna get what you want, okay? Which is making more money on a monthly reoccurring basis. So that's basically how I look at this. Now, again, if we go back to the dashboard, you'll notice I have a ton of leads. So when someone becomes a free member, then they're hard coded to me for life. Meaning if someone signs up for a free plan and they sign up 2 years later, I'm gonna finally get paid every single month. Okay, so that's what you need to realize as a Systeme.io affiliate. Okay, so to get more tactical, how do we actually promote the Systeme.io affiliate program absolutely free? And how do we promote this free program? Let me show you. So my favorite way to get people to sign up for Systeme.io is to create YouTube tutorials. Now, I know a lot of people don't like creating YouTube videos, so I'm going to show you another way as well, but this one works extremely well. Now, if I go to YouTube and type in Systeme.io tutorial, you'll notice I have a video here with 28,000 views. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm providing people value, and then at the end of the video, I invite them to go click on my Systeme.io link to sign up for a free trial. Now, the way that works is right here in your affiliate dashboard, you'll notice you get this link here, okay? So this link right here is your Systeme.io affiliate link. So let's just say someone's watching this YouTube video and they go and click on your link. Well, now they become a lead, and that lead is coded to you for life, which becomes extremely powerful. This is how you can start building a list of people that are going to pay you for years and years to come. Now, before I move on, I want to show you how you can become a Systeme.io affiliate, and it's super simple. All you have to do is click the first link in the YouTube description. That's going to take you to the Systeme.io homepage. All you have to do is sign up for a regular Systeme.io account, and automatically you're going to become an affiliate. Let me show you. So as you can see, once you sign up for a free Systeme.io account, again, that's linked down in the YouTube description, you're going to go to this page right here, and all you have to do is go to the dashboard and click on affiliate dashboard here, and you'll notice right away you're automatically going to get your affiliate link. So that's the link that you're going to want to promote as an affiliate. Now, I want you to see what I just did there. I showed you that I create videos on YouTube, but then I invite you to come create an account by clicking the first link in the description. So what I'm doing, guys, is I'm literally practicing what I'm preaching. I'm creating videos like this to provide value to you, but I also invite you to click on the link to join for free, because I know eventually I can help you grow your business with my tactics and with my strategies. And it's a win-win because it's going to help you grow absolutely free. You don't have to use a credit card, but it's going to help me because I'm going to start making money whenever you start making money. So it's a win-win, and you could do the same for your audience as well. Now, going back to the YouTube tutorials, again, you could show people how to use Systeme.io, but more importantly, if you want, you could go to the search right here and you could see what people are typing in, right? If you just go to the YouTube search bar and I type Systeme.io, look at all these keywords that people are searching. Systeme.io affiliate program, Systeme.io review, Systeme.io landing page, right? All of these keywords, you can literally make a video and people are searching for this, okay? So again, if you can help them, if you can provide them value, then you can invite them to click on your link down below. Now, if you don't want to create YouTube videos, another way you can do this is by creating a blog, okay? So essentially, it's reviews, but on written form, okay? You're not doing like YouTube videos, you're doing like a written form. So same thing, if I go to Google and type in Systeme.io tutorial, you'll notice here, there's going to be these blogs that teach people how to use Systeme.io, right? So right here, Systeme.io tutorial. So you can go ahead and make a blog that's written. You don't have to create a video, but more importantly, right, you can see people have their affiliate links right here, okay? So super, super powerful. And remember, with the free plan, you get a blog as well. So you could literally create this for free and just put it on Google. That way, when people type in Systeme.io or whatever search term you're trying to target, your Google or your blog is going to show up and people can click, read, and then go to your affiliate link and buy. Okay, so the second way to make your first $1,000 with Systeme.io is by giving out a funnel. Now, this is going to be similar to the first way that I mentioned, was by becoming an affiliate, but it's going to be taking it a step further. What you're doing is you're creating a practical funnel that you can give away to people. That way they can use it as fast as possible to help them get results faster. Let me explain. So for example, let's just say there's a local dentist that you want to help them get more customers, get more leads. Well, what you can do to help that company is you can go create a funnel and give it to that dentist company. So, well, what you can do is you could say, hey, I'm going to give you this funnel. All you have to do is sign up for Systeme.io. So as you can see, it's a win-win because you're giving them this done for you funnel, but for them, they don't have to go and figure out how to build a funnel. All they have to do is literally sign up for this free software and they're going to be able to start generating more leads. Now, let me show you something that I do that helps me get a ton of leads and sales when I give out a funnel. So as you can see right here, I have several funnels that I have built that I give out to my students. Now, I'm going to show you how you can access these funnels as well. But what I want to show you here is how you can give away these funnels. So if you go and create a funnel here in Systeme.io, and again, if you don't know how to create a funnel, you could follow my free tutorial right here, and I'll show you exactly from A to Z how to build a complete funnel and how to use Systeme.io, okay? But for example, if you create a funnel inside of Systeme.io, what you can do is you could click on these little dots right here and click share. This link right here, when you send that to somebody, one, it's going to give them that funnel directly in their account, and two, it's going to give them a free Systeme.io account. And again, it's going to hard code that person to you. That way you get the lead in the sale later on down the road. But more importantly, what happens here is, let's just say you send this right to people, right? Whether it's a local dentist company or a local coffee shop or someone online learning affiliate marketing, whatever it is, right? If you send this link to them, well, they get the funnel immediately, but you get the lead and the sale. Now, it helps them out because they don't have to go and create the funnel. It makes it easy for them to sign up, right? So you can see the power of giving away a funnel. It's not only going to help you out, but it's going to help them out, and it builds that know, like, and trust factor with your audience. Now, the third and final way to make your first $1,000 with Systeme.io is to give out a 100% free course. Now, I want to show you the exact course that I give away, but more importantly, I want to show you how you can access this exact same course, and I'm going to let you give it out as your own as well. But let me walk you through this first because I want to show you the power. So what I do is I give out this free course already. That's a ton of value for people, okay? So the purpose of this free course is to teach someone how they can leave their 9-to-5 job, okay? And as you can see, there's a few different modules within this course, okay? Now, how do I actually make money with the Systeme.io affiliate program? Well, within this course, if I click on this module right here, here are the best affiliate programs to promote, and I scroll down, you'll notice, okay, right here, there's the Systeme.io link, okay? So what I can do, or what you can do, is you can add a link within a free course that leads people to the Systeme.io program, okay? So if I click on this, you'll notice it goes to my affiliate link, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you how you can literally copy and paste this course. And more importantly, I'm going to allow you to switch out these links within the course for your own links, okay? So I'm going to show you that in just a little bit, but let me show you more on this course, okay? Because the cool thing is there's a ton of value within this course, okay? There's workbooks and there's videos. So I really spent a ton of time creating this free course. Now, what I've done for a lot of my students is I allow them to even introduce me as the instructor, okay? So you can, let's just say, make a video here and say, hey, you know, my name is Susie or Christopher, and I'm gonna introduce you to Jonathan Montoya, who's gonna teach the course. So I basically allow you to introduce myself, okay? Which is super, super powerful. Now, how do we give out this course for free? Well, very simple. All we're doing is we're sending people to this Systeme.io funnel, which I also allow you to copy as well. And basically we're saying here, hey, you know, get my free course, which again is located inside of the Systeme.io program. And what we're doing here is we're collecting emails. That way you can build up your contact list. Again, I'm trying to help you guys out, but then you could also help people coming into your world. So I want you to see what I'm doing here, okay? I'm literally practicing what I'm preaching. Why am I giving people access to this course? to this funnel? Well, because I know if you guys go and sign up for Systeme.io for free and I can help you build your contacts, then eventually your business is going to grow and you're going to start paying however long that takes. Okay. So the goal of my business is to simply help you build your business as fast as humanly possible. But essentially you're going to be doing the same thing so that way you can make your first $1,000 with Systeme.io. Now, if you want to clone my entire system as your own, I want to invite you to my 72-hour challenge. Now, what the challenge entails is it shows you how to build this course and, more importantly, how to clone my exact course in Systeme.io with a click of a button. Now, if you want access to that system, then I'm going to link that down below in the YouTube description. And that's going to allow you to literally copy and paste the exact same funnel, the exact same course. That way you can make your first $1,000 and beyond with Systeme.io. Now, I hope this video was of value, but more importantly, I hope that you can take action on what I've taught you here today, because online marketing and affiliate marketing has completely changed my life. I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 job within 9 months of starting this business. But now, more importantly, I'm helping thousands of people do the same thing. So I hope you can take action, and we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.